HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art. Hey kids, let's draw the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders in the world. Starting with the minarets, a shorter one too. Now a dome. Now a beautiful big center dome. Repeat it all on the other side too. Wasn't that super easy? Now draw an archway, the windows, four on each side. Now some smaller windows. It's already looking so beautiful, doesn't it? Let's make windows on all the minarets too. Now comes the fun part. Let's color. We will be using white all over. The Taj Mahal is made of lovely white marble. Let's keep going. Wow, it's looking so pretty! Has anyone seen the Taj Mahal in real life? It's really beautiful. Time to add the details. Use a grey color. Draw horizontal lines on all the minarets. Now let's color all the big windows. Fill in the archway too. We're doing a great job! And now, final touches for the big and pretty dome. And done! Here it is, the magnificent Taj Mahal.